The VOLANTEXRC A6M 0RC plane is designed with an ultra-stable Xpilot gyro stabilizer, making it an excellent choice for beginners who want to experience aerobatic flying with ease. This remote-controlled plane features an innovative one-key aerobatics function, allowing even novice pilots to perform impressive aerial maneuvers at the press of a button. With its 3-level flight control system, the plane offers varying degrees of assistance, enabling beginners to gradually improve their flying skills from full assistance to manual control. Ideal for outdoor adventures, the plane boasts a 2.4 gigahertz radio control system with a range of 656 feet and strong anti-interference capabilities. The efficient gearbox system extends flying time up to 15 minutes, allowing for longer periods of enjoyment and practice. Convenience is enhanced with the plane's fully assembled design, requiring only battery installation to be ready for flight in under a minute.